back. This is Christine Prasad for Best Buy Canada, and today I'm going to show you two devices here, the JS Flo 2.0 air purifier and the JS Vanguard 2.0 air purifier and dehumidifier. So I actually reviewed the previous generation versions of these two devices last year, and you can take a look at my review from then, as well as my in-depth video that showcases the various functions and features of these devices. The biggest difference between last year's versions and these ones are that these actually now have app control. So you can download the app and control them remotely, including turning them on and off, setting timers, adjusting the fan speed, etc. As well, you can also use voice control through Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa to control them that way, which is a pretty cool new high-tech feature. So both of them work again as air purifiers, cleaning the air of dust, dander, mold, smoke, etc. The Vanguard model adds a dehumidifier, so it can help remove dampness from the air, which is a great thing to have for, say, a basement, especially if you have a home office down there, or even on a boat. So they both again do the purifying function, and then the Vanguard adds the dehumidification function. So you can read the full review to get more details on both, and you can check out, as I mentioned, the earlier video to see how they both work. They're pretty identical to the previous generation models. But here I will show you the newest edition, which is the app. So I've got both of them here in the Tuya Smart app. I can just push a button. I've kept this one plugged in to show you. So you can see it's turned on there, and it's a pretty high fan level. So if I wanted to turn down, I could do so in the app. But I could also say, "Hey Google, turn down the JS Purifier."
Sure. Decreasing JS Purifier speed to 2.
So she's now decreased the fan speed from 3 to 2. If I wanted to turn it off, say if I was in bed at night and I just wanted to turn it off without having to get up and press the buttons, I could say, "Hey Google, turn off the JS air purifier." I don't think she heard me. "Hey Google, turn off the JS air purifier."
Got it. Turning JS Purifier off.
So there you go. Pretty simple. The same functions work again with the Vanguard model, but you can read the full review to see how they work. Reference the previous video as well to see some additional features. Pretty simple button layout. Filters down here for this one, filters on the side for this one. And again, really easy to connect both of them through Wi-Fi as well as voice control. I had no issues with either. Now the app itself doesn't show a ton of information. It shows you the air quality outdoors, but not much else, so that could use a little bit of work. But everything else in terms of a pretty decent air purifier, dehumidifier, you can't go wrong with either of them. So again, read the full review on the Best Buy blog, and thanks for watching.